In this problem, we are given student work and we are asked to find the error that was made. So the first thing when we solve an equation is we can simplify the left and the right side. We can simplify by combining like terms and by using the distributive property. Since combining like terms uses addition and subtraction and distributive property uses multiplication, we're always going to use the distributive property first. So first thing is we're going to take this 8 and multiply it to the x and the -4, and that is done correctly. Then we're going to take the -6 here and we're going to distribute it by multiplying, and that is done correctly. Alright, after the distributive property comes combining like terms. So we would combine the 5x and the -6x. So 5, if we take the coefficients, 5 minus 6 is -1, and then we put the x there. However, in the problem, in the student's work, they have 11x. So that is where our error is, and we're going to take it from there now and correct it. Okay, so I'm going to take out the 11x since it's wrong. It should be -1x. And now I like to highlight the variable, but we have a problem. There's one on both sides. We can't have two variables highlighted. So I need to get rid of one of them. So I'm going to go ahead and take away 8x from here. I'm going to combine the -1x and the -8x. Now I can highlight where the variable is, and I want this, I highlighted this as a reminder that I want this all by itself. So to do that I need to add 12 to cancel this out to make 0 there. -32 plus 12 is -20. And then the very last step, when this highlighted term is by itself, that is when we divide. So I'm going to divide by a -9. And here we have a negative divided by a negative, which is a positive. And 9 cannot divide into 20 evenly, so we're going to leave it as 20/9. And nothing can divide into 20 and 9. There is no common factor, so it can't be simplified. So therefore we're going to leave our answer as 20/9. Now if we divide 20 divided by 9, we get a repeating decimal, so we don't want to leave that as our answer. It doesn't ask us to round it, so we're going to leave it as 20/9, which is as simplified as possible. It is not wrong if you leave your answer as a mixed number, though. So we would put that the correct answer is 20/9, or 2 and 2/9 here. And then we need to explain that the error was in combining the like terms right here in a complete sentence.